All right guys, I'm out here in the shop and I have been looking for a battery solution for off-grid purposes out here in the shop, and I think I found it. This is the Orion 1000 by Goldenmate. The stats on this thing and the features for the price point looked amazing. So let me take a look at the box here, show you guys what I saw, and let's check it out. All right, so here is the box. Again, very well packaged, and let's see what we get with it. We get a paralleling communication cable if you're going to do multiple batteries in parallel or series, so that is cool. Here we have a BMS cable, so if you're working with an inverter that can control your BMS, that is cool as well. A couple crimp-on terminals for your battery lugs. And you have your instruction manual here with all your charging parameters, everything you're going to need. And there's the battery. Alright guys, so you can see that this battery is a really unique design, very well laid out. It's got some great grab handles here to carry it. It's got the LED display on the top, which is going to give you your battery status. On the front here, you pop these rubber grommets out, and here's your control. Here's your communication ports, whether you're parallel on the battery or you're talking to your inverter via the BMS. So very cool. So let's take some measurements here and tell you what you can fit. The width on the battery itself is exactly 13 inches, and the depth on it is 6 3/4 inches, and the height to the top, not including the battery terminal, is 8.5 inches. So depending on the size you're looking for, this would be great on a shelving system. This would also be awesome in an RV as a replacement to your direct fit battery. So definitely love the look of this, and very sleek. The best part about this though is that it actually has built-in Bluetooth, and you can get an app right from Goldenmate, and it tells you your voltage status, your current, your power, the time remaining at your current use. So it basically has the battery monitor built right in. So that is super awesome for this price point. I've not seen that before. So this is a 12-volt battery, 100 amp hours, lithium power. So here's a really cool feature. I just hooked up a makeshift inverter, and it's telling me the percentage left on the battery, how many watts it's pulling currently on my output, and then it also has an input if we're charging. So this is awesome display. So after seeing all the features in this price point, I've bought batteries with way less features for way more money. All in all, I'm super impressed with this. The feature packed, it looks like it's got an awesome output, and just having that app to be able to monitor your battery included in the battery itself, that is a game changer for me. So I'm definitely impressed with this.